Shri Hanumanta Rao, 3 minutes, please.
Sir, I have been a member of the Rajya Sabha since 2004, 2 terms. My term is now coming to end. I have very memorable, glorious moments in this house which I can be proud of. Coming from backward community and serving my people is a God-given opportunity to me. For this, I especially thank my leader, late Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji and Indira Gandhi ji, Sri Rajiv Gandhi ji and party president Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji and Dr. Manmohan Singh ji and Rahul Gandhi ji. Sir, I always fought for the weaker section of people and I have been in the forefront if any issues are concerning OBC minorities and SC/ST, sir. As the convener of the OBC forum, OBC MPs have been taking all and pursuing the important issues which the government concerning the welfare of the OBCs. I am proud to say that forum has been able to achieve some success during the UPA government 2006, like reservation in seats in the OBC higher education institution like IIT, IIM, AIMS, in the order the help the gain higher level in representation of these institutions. I am thankful to the UPA chairperson, Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji, for her initiative on this.
Please shut up. Please.
Please, Honorable, no, sit down. Sit down. Please let him conclude. Please sit down. Please sit down.
Kindly reprimand.
Please sit down.
From the chair.
Another
You are
milestone
impinging on
achievement
his
of
time.
OBC in the country is the setting of the Parliamentary Committee on Welfare OBC in 2012, which I thank to my leader Sri Rahul Gandhi ji for his timely initiative and support on this issue.
Thank you.
However, there are still some issues which have been fighting and we have achieved or giving constitutional powers for NCBC reservation in private sector, removal of creamy layer and also reservation for judiciary.
Thank you.
Sir, due to lack of monitoring the mechanism, OBC reservation have not yet reached the double digits, sir. Level despite of the than 23 years of providing the reservation of OBC in jobs and
Your time is up now.
education. This is
Please conclude.
Sir,
I will-
I told him, sir, because I should get 5 minutes.
No,
sir.
you will not
Sir,
get 5 minutes.
Sir, last
I'm
day
sorry.
also you can't
I'm
give it,
sorry.
Sir, sir I am continuing.
sorry,
sir.
there are other
SC/ST
speakers.
Commission should be also given constitutional power for address grievances of
But
the
don't
OBC
read a speech.
to monitor 27% of... Sir, due to the liberalization and globalization, unemployment has been the raised especially among the downtrodden, the backward section of the society. Private sector getting all the support from the
Thank
incentives
you.
from the government to the
Thank you.
supplement and the effort the government of the private
Look, after
sector.
3 minutes, nothing
Sir,
will go
must
on
also
record.
fulfill the social responsibility, giving reservation in weaker section, downtrodden section
Hanuman
of the
Rao ji.
SC/ST, OBC and minorities. Sir, coming from the creamy layer issue, OBC MPs forum are being opposing for the every concept of creamy layer, sir. For the beginning, the Constitution of India speaks socially and educationally backward, sir.
Thank you.
Classes and not economically backwardness. Article 16(4) of the Constitution speaks about the adequate
Bhai, ye kya kar rahe
representation for BC services.
aap yahan-
What is not stand? Constitution being imposed by the OBC and the income criteria along with the guidelines of the DOPT are totally hampering the interest of the welfare of the eligible OBC, sir. Parliamentary Standing Committee, personal
Please finish.
NCBC, the report submitted to the Parliament government, recommendation to removal of the criminal.
Please
requested government
finish.
move legally remove this concept.
I will
This
call the
concept
next speaker.
deprived
Please
eligible
finish.
OBC students from the
This will not go on record.
durable OBC